So, what if the future of search was more than just links? Well, meet Google's Search Generative Experience (SGE), where generative AI meets powerful text-to-image capabilities, creating a search experience like never before. With a deep dive into Imagen, Lambda, and a synergy with Bard, SGE is set to redefine our digital interactions. As we journey through its features, multilingual support, and comparisons with other AI tools, you'll see that the future of search isn't just here. It's vibrant, intuitive, and personalized. But before we unravel this whole thing, can you do me one tiny favor if you haven't already? Just hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It's totally free, and I promise it'll be your ticket to all things AI and how to thrive in this ever-evolving digital realm. Cool? Cool. Alright, let's jump in. What is Google SGE? Alright, diving straight into Google SGE, it's Google's fresh take on search, going beyond just spitting out links when you type in text. With SGE, you input a query and get back precise answers, and sometimes visuals too. It's all powered by Generative AI, which is kind of a big deal in making search more interactive. Now, onto the image generation feature of SGE. You type in a description, and SGE crafts an image based on that. It's not merely fetching images from the web, but generating new ones. Behind this, there's a blend of complex algorithms, vast datasets, and advanced AI techniques at play. We're talking state-of-the-art machine learning models that transforms your textual input into visual output. And this isn't just a whimsy feature, it's leveraging generative AI to make this magic happen. So, SGE isn't just about searching, it's about creating a more enriched search experience. It's a blend of cutting-edge tech aimed at making your interactions with search engines more intuitive and visually engaging. And though it might sound high-tech, it's really about bridging the gap between textual queries and visual understanding, making search, a bit more insightful and fun. The power of Imagen. Next on our journey is Imagen, or also known as Imagen. Now you might be wondering, what's that? Well, Imagen is a powerhouse behind SGE's image generation. It's the text-to-image diffusion model that Google employs. Instead of merely matching text to pre-existing images, Imagen crafts new images based on the deep understanding it has of your text input. And technically speaking, this is a huge leap in AI. The ability to deeply analyze text and then generate a visual representation requires advanced algorithms and a vast amount of training data. Imagen isn't just skimming the surface, it's diving deep into the nuances of the language to ensure the images it crafts align closely with the searcher's intent. Now, what makes SGE even more intriguing is its integration with Bard. If you're familiar with Bard, it's essentially Google's top-tier conversational AI. This means while you're having a chat or drafting content with Bard, you can simultaneously generate images using SGE. It's a seamless blend, really. Imagine you're drafting an article or brainstorming a concept. With Bard, you can discuss, clarify, or refine your ideas. And with SGE right there, any visual representation you might need is just a prompt away. It's like having a robust AI-powered workspace. Bard manages your textual content and SGE provides the visuals. The synergy of the two is truly a testament to where technology is headed. Integration with Google's Lambda. So we've talked about the SGE and Imagen, but there's another piece of this puzzle. Ever heard of Google's Lambda? No? Well, let me fill you in. Google's Lambda is this massive language model. Think of it as a big brain that processes and understands natural conversational language. Like how we're chatting right now. When you type something into SGE, Lambda steps in to decode what you're saying, especially the conversational nuances. Imagen then takes this understanding and, bam, crafts an image. So, in a nutshell, while Imagen is the artist, Lambda is, I guess you could say, the interpreter, making sure your creative vision is on point. Google's SGE's multilingual support. Okay, you know what's wild? The internet is massive, and we all come from different corners of the world, speaking a myriad of languages. Google gets that. That's why SGE isn't just for the English speakers among us. Nope, it's spread its wings much, much wider. We're talking support for over 100 languages. Imagine that. So whether you're trying to generate an image with a prompt in Spanish, Hindi, French, or even Swahili, SGE's got your back. It's all about breaking down barriers and making creativity accessible, no matter where you're from or what language you speak. Customization features. So diving into the specifics of SGE, you'll see it's not just a one-size-fits-all deal. The level of customization is pretty neat, honestly. First up, aspect ratios. Depending on where you want to use the image, SGE lets you pick. You've got square, portrait, or landscape. Well, that's basically catering to all your main digital platforms, right? Then there's the style part. This is where it gets a tad artsy. You can go for 3D visuals, super immersive by the way, or maybe the classic vibes of an oil painting. There's even a cartoon style if you're aiming for something more light-hearted or easygoing. The key takeaway? SGE offers a toolbox, and you're the craftsman deciding how to put it all together. Advantages of SGE over other AI tools. So when assessing the AI landscape, several image generation tools emerge. Bing Image Creator, Midjourney, Crayon, and so forth. Yet SGE carves a distinct niche, and here's why. 1. Direct integration with Google Search. SGE is integrated directly into Google Search, eliminating the need for external applications or platforms. 2. Extensive data infrastructure. Leveraging Google's intensive data infrastructure, SGE showcases a high percentage of AI-generated results in searches. A study reveals that 77.8% of searches show AI-generated results on Google, with categories like fashion and technology leading with 99% and 93% AI results respectively. This extensive data usage aids in delivering quick and relevant results, simplifying comprehension of complex subjects and providing more personalized responses to open-ended queries. 3. Complex query handling. SGE is adept at managing complex or multi-step searches, providing more comprehensive responses to intricate queries. This feature distinguishes it from traditional search engines and elevates the user experience by catering to a broader range of inquiries with enhanced precision. 4. Contextual understanding. SGE has the capacity to provide more context to the answers it generates, helping users better understand the information they receive. This contextual understanding is integral in making the information more relatable and easier to comprehend. 5. SGE while browsing feature. The SGE while browsing feature facilitates a deeper engagement with web content by helping users quickly understand the context and key points of long and complex content on web pages. This feature is available on Android, iOS, and will soon be on Chrome for desktop, offering a more enriched browsing experience by making it easier for users to find what they are looking for and engage with long-term content. It demonstrates SGE's commitment to not only improving search, but also enhancing the overall browsing experience. Important usage notes. So while I'm genuinely excited about SGE and all it offers, there are some essential things you should be aware of before diving in. 1. Opting in. To begin your journey with SGE, opt in through Google Labs. It's your gateway to generating AI images and exploring a transformed search experience. 2. Age restriction. Initially tailored for adults, Google expanded SGE accessibility to teenagers aged 13 to 17 in the United States, fostering a broader use base and encouraging young tech enthusiasts to explore the capabilities of generative AI. 3. Continuous evolution. SGE, being in its nascent stage, is on a trajectory of continuous evolution. Users can expect ongoing refinements that aim to enhance its capabilities and overall user experience. 4. User engagement. The interactive nature of SGE encourages users to ask follow-up questions, dive deeper into topics, and explore high-quality results, which is a step towards making the search experience more dynamic and user-centric. 5. Transparency and accountability. While there hasn't been specific information on transparency features, the nature of generative AI in SGE may pave the way for features promoting transparency and accountability in the near future. From understanding the immense capabilities of Google's SGE to diving into the intricate details of Imagen and Lambda, we've journeyed through a tech revolution in search and image generation. What's evident is that the future of search is here, and it's more intuitive, visually engaging, and tailored to our needs than ever before. With SGE's customization features, multilingual support, and its powerhouse partnership with Bard, we're not just searching, we're experiencing. And as it continues to evolve, who knows what other innovations are right around the corner. But hey, I don't want you to miss out on any of it. If you found this deep dive enlightening and want to stay updated with the latest in tech, AI, and everything in between, make sure to hit that subscribe button below right now. Let's embark on this digital future together, one video at a time. Subscribe now and be part of our tech-savvy community.